Welcome again, guys, to my channel. This is Ndifreke Query TV. We do lifestyle, self-care tips, and we do a lot of things in this channel. Kindly subscribe if you've not done it. I'm a mom vlog, and I try to display my lifestyle here, what I cook in my kitchen, so you can learn one or two things from this channel. All right, so we are going to be going ahead into today's video. What am I going to be doing today in today's video? I'm going to be showing you how to prepare okra soup. Okay, I actually want to prepare okra soup for the family. Okay, so Nigerian okra soup, Nigerian greenish okra soup. So that's what we are going to be doing together. So stay tuned how I show you how to cut it and how to go along to join me to cook it. It's going to be greenish and delicious. You're going to be see amazing things that I'm going to be putting in this okra soup. And remember, it's a low budget okra soup. It's not expensive. You can always do it anytime for your family. All right, so come with me. Yeah, let me introduce what I'm going to be using. Okay, so this is a fish that I'm going to be putting in, and this is called ogbono. Okay, this ogbono is just to be able to help it to increase the sliminess, the drawness of the soup. Okay, and this is a kind of spice that I'm going to be adding in this okra soup. Okay, Yoruba people, they know it a lot. They call it okpeyi, okpeyi. I don't know if I pronounce it well. That's not where I'm from. All right, so I'm going to be adding it in the okra soup. Okay, so this is the leaf I am going to be using. They call this uzuza leaf. It has a nice aroma and a nice scent. So I'm going to be using this leaf as part of the soup. Yes, so and I have my crayfish and my pepper already here. I've actually grounded it, making it ready for the soup. All right, guys. Then my protein is already steamed. Let me show you guys how my protein looks like. Okay, so I want to open my pressure pot so I can show you how. It's hot. Okay, so this is how my protein is. Okay, so I have beef, I have stockfish, and I have kanda, white kanda in there to make this soup amazing, guys. It's going to be yummy, all right? So I want you to come with me. I'm sorry for the noise. You can imagine what a content creator passes through. Okay, a neighbor is putting on a generator. What can I do? All right, at this point, and I think I don't really want to use my mic because it's already hot in here in this kitchen. All right, so bear with me, and I know you can hear me very well. So let's go ahead to cut the okra. All right, I have to set my camera again. So I want to cut this okra. I'm going to wash the fish later on. So this okra, let's cut this okra together. How do you cut your okra? A lot of people slice it, box slice. A lot of people grate it. Okay. A lot of people grate it. Let me rinse this. I believe you can see me very well. All right. So me, I like box cutting. I do a lot of box cutting. Box cutting goes this way. When you do a cross sign on your okra, then you just go ahead to cut it. Okay, I think this one is hard a little. You just go ahead to cut it. I believe you're seeing this. Let's do another one. Okay, I cut off this head, and guys, I do a box cutting. A box cutting, you just put a cross on your okra. Right? Okay, guys, so let's go ahead. This is actually much, so I just want to show you how I do it. I might not show you how I finish it, so we will go ahead. And yes, so this is it. This is the okra. I believe you can see me. So we have a first cut and we have a cross cut. So that's how we do it. Guys, I believe you're following me, guys. And I believe you're hearing me too. Okay, so I'm trying to see how we can cut it fast to finish it, guys. Okay. So box cut, a cross cut, a cross cut. Then this is how I like it to be. A lot of people want it to be very slimy. Me, I like to see my okra so that I can chew it. Yes, guys, you need to chew your okra. That's how you see the greenish thing. I'm going to show you the way it's going to be greenish and how it's going to come out well, guys. See my box crossing. Why not try this cutting? Why not try this box cutting, guys? Yes, it's always very nice. Makes your okra soup delicious, guys. You could do one cut slice, okay? You could just, a lot of people could like it round. There are different ways. This is hard. Why did they give me hard onions? It's hard okra, sorry. You can imagine what I bought in the market. See? Okay, so a lot of people just like doing it this way. A round cut, okay? There is also a round cut. You see how it looks? A round cut. Okay, me, I prefer a box cut. I prefer a box cut. Wow, I need to hurry up. A lot of people in the house are already hungry, waiting for this soup. So for the ones that are tiny, I just go ahead to do one slice. I don't do cross boxing because it's too tiny. I have a lot of tiny okra here, guys. So that's it. Okay, so stay tuned while I show you what I do next. Yeah, I think the next thing you're going to be seeing is how we are going to be cooking it in the fire. By then, I'm done washing my fish. I'm done doing the remaining things. And we go ahead to cook. Yes, I want to show you how I do the cooking while my okra remains green. And it's actually low budget. It's not expensive. Yes, I think this soup is not up to 10,000 naira. I don't know how much currency is that in where you're watching me from, but it is just 10,000 naira. Yeah, because I bought this okra 1,000 naira. Not expensive. I don't want to cook plain soup, you know. That's why I said it's a low budget okra soup. Yes, low budget okra soup, guys. Yeah, guys. All right. Stay tuned as I continue to show you how we do it inside the pot. All right, guys. See you then. So guys, you just need to bear with me. Can you imagine, ever since this generator was not on, now that I want to show you how to make this soup, they've on this generator. What do I do as a content creator? Oh my god, please just watch and see how you can follow me and understand how I make this Nigerian okra soup. Okay, so the black spice, the curry that I showed you, I've already added it here. Okay, so I've done my stock. This is my stock. I'm sorry, I don't have light again. I'm trying to manage the light. So this is my stock and the water, my meat and the water. So I want to add a little water, okay, that I will use to make the soup. Oh my god, I don't know if you can see the pot very well. All right, guys, I'll try my best. I'll try my best to finish this video because I want to show you how to make Nigeria okra greenish soup. Okay, so this is it. I believe you can see it. So this is the stock, the meat, the pomo, and my stock fish is there. So I'm going to add my pepper. I'm adding my pepper because this is my pepper and my crayfish. I'm sorry, it's getting dark here. All right, so guys, just follow me and you understand everything I am doing, guys. All right, so this is my crayfish is already inside there. Oh my, so sorry, it's dark, but I'm trying to make you see it. So that's it. So that's my stock meat, my stock fish, my crayfish and pepper. All right, so we are moving ahead. So I'm going to be adding I'm going to be adding palm oil. Just little is fine. So let's allow the food to boil. I've increased the fire so it will boil. Then when it boils next, we are going to be putting our ogbono. That's how we call it. It makes the soup more slimy, okay? Make it more slimy. I want to add some parts of the fish, the dry fish. I'm adding the dry fish. Your okra is going to be the last thing. Remember, the last thing. So it will be greenish. Yes. Okay. Adding my fish. So we are going to keep back the okra because it's going to be the last thing. So allow it to boil. Just go ahead and watch it boil. Oh, generator. Generator noise, what have I done to you? So it's boiling. Boiling. Okay, then, so it's actually boiling. Yes, I believe you're seeing. So I'm going to be adding this season. It's called crayfish seasoning. It's like cube, Maggi cube. Why is this hard? Okay, I'm going to be breaking it inside. I'm going to dissolve inside. It's made with crayfish. Give your soup amazing spice, amazing taste. Okay, so let's turn it together. I don't want the soup to be watery. Oh my god, I believe you're seeing me. You're seeing the soup, even if you can't see it's fine. The soup is what I want you to follow up how it's being made. Okay. We're almost there. We are almost there. Please don't mind the noise. I believe you can see. Hello. Yeah. So I'm just waiting for it to boil. Okay, so then we can add our ogbono. This makes it slimy, more slimy. Okay, so I turn it once again. Okay. Let's test it. At this point, I'm already testing nice. Okay. So wait a little for it to boil. Then we are going to be adding our okra. This is our okra, and I have onions inside of it already. Okay, so let's add it up. Remember, you will not allow it to stay in the pot for a long time. You need to be snappy, so we still have the greenish color. All right. So let's turn it. Let's see if it is too thick. We'll add more water. It looks thick. Yes, it looks thick. Oh my god, I don't know. I hope it's not dark. when you're watching the video. So this looks thick to me. So I'm going to be adding water. I'm going to be adding water because it looks thick. Not looks thick, it is thick. And I don't want it to be that thick. Okay guys, I think I'm having the good. A little more water. A little more. Are you seeing? So you just be checking the consistency. So it will be watery, it won't be that thick too. Alright? So I think I'm good with that. I'm good with that. So what do I add last? What do I add? This is everything we are using to cook this soup. So that's the leaf. We call it uzuza leaf. We call it uzuza leaf. Igbo people knows the leaf a lot. Okay? They know the leaf a lot. So we're just going to allow everything to steam. Then, yes, you can see the soup. See the green color? You just allow everything to steam up. Then we'll bring it down. We're going to test it one more time to be sure that our soup is delicious. So guys, let's test it one last time. Very nice. Very nice. Wow. I'm done. Guys, I'm done. I want it to be a little bit oily, so I'm adding a little oil. I have to be very careful so I still have my green part of the okra. So guys, I'm so sorry, I really don't have light, but this is how the soup is. Did you see this? It's ready, fresh from the pot. Fresh and fresh. So let me show you the greenish. Are you seeing how greenish it is? So this is how you make Nigeria okra soup. So this is the face behind this soup. I'm offing the fire because I don't want it to not to be greenish anymore. So thank you so much. I appreciate you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. So that is the soup. Okay, so we are offing the fire now. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. This is our soup. And this is the cook behind the soup. Thank you, guys. I appreciate, and please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. It's actually hot here. Oh my God. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to always watch our videos because we have a lot of recipes. We have a lot of things to showcase. Oh my God, is this palm oil? Thank you guys. I love you all. Bye.